If your dream is to live, work, and earn money in one of the most beautiful countries on earth, then do not skip this video. Else, you are going to regret what you did. In this year 2025, Malta is opening a door to both skilled and unskilled workers around the world, offering them the chance to live, work, and explore one of the most beautiful countries on earth. In this video, we are going to discuss the whole journey to relocating to Malta and how to find jobs. If that is exactly what you are looking for, then grab a pack of popcorn and relax. Please guys, before we get so busy, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, as you do not want to be among those who will be applying when the opportunity window is closed. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have done that, thanks. First thing first, all you need right now is an outstanding CV and a cover letter in order to be able to secure a job with a potential employer. Please make sure you tailor your CV to suit each job description, and above all, make sure you meet at least 90% of a job requirement. Once you secure a job offer, the employer will help you to apply for a work permit. Your employer will apply through Identity Malta with a valid contract letter, completed application form, passport copy, qualification and express proof that you are going to provide, health insurance, and the other relevant documents. Some countries such as Finland, it is your duty to apply for this. Please also confirm this. The application fee is about €280 and the processing time usually takes 2 to 3 months depending on your country where you are applying for. And don't forget, the visa you are applying for is known as the D visa, and once your visa has been approved, congratulations. When you arrive Malta, you will have to register with Job Plus for work authorization and resident permit. It's also important to know that tax number and social security number will be generated or issued to you. Please don't forget that all this needs proper planning from the time of job application, visa processing, and flight. All that being said, come with me to the computer. Let me show you how you get jobs that will land you in Malta in 2025. Come with me, guys. So guys, this is the first site. It's called jobsinmalta.com. So this is where you can view all jobs. You click on view all jobs. This is where you can click on companies to see all the companies. Are you getting it? So just take your time to play with it. So these are companies that are going to hire you to Malta. We have Konnekt, we have Betson Group, Broadwing Limited, Malta Financial Service Authority. So these are Malta International Airport, BNF Bank. So depending on the company of interest to you, so you can click on page 2 to see the next page. You go on the next one, they are much. Go to page 3 till you get to 224 pages. So you see, you have enough to do or to work with. Now, when you come here, guys, you find out that you have a search bar where you can put this job or the title of the job you are looking for. You have the filter where you can filter based on the categories, if it's cleaning service, construction, creative and media, education and training, electrics, and these are all arranged in alphabetical order. So you have fintech, healthcare, hotels. Just go through and find the ones you want. If it's region, we have Central Malta, North of Malta, South of Malta, hosted by employer recruitment agency. So if you want recruitment agency, you can click on this to get jobs that are only by recruiters. So now, if you are interested in getting recruiters, these are all the recruiters in Malta. You have Konnekt, Snap Recruitment, Foodies Bespoke Recruitment, Graduate Planet CIC, Casto Hill Recruitment, Tian U Company, Befa Service Co Limited. These are recruitment, GRS Recruitment. These are recruitment agencies that are going to help you relocate to Malta from overseas. So why not contact them today? BTC Resourcing, Recruit Giant Limited, Misco Consulting Limited. So just go through. You see, we have page 1 to 5. Are you seeing it, guys? So once you're able to do this, let's see page 5, what we have. It says Kiss Provision Limited, Charles Levick, Armored Recruitment, Nordic Jobs Worldwide. So you can go on each of them and contact them. Are you getting it? So you can click on anyone. Let's say this Amon Recruitment. You click them. About Amon Recruitment Limited. So you can view all similar jobs, you know, that the company has, posted. So you see development interventionist, pizza chef, sales coordinator, senior Python, client accounting, assistant manager, post office, ICT, junior. Just go through. If you're interested in anyone, you will now apply. So let's assume you are interested in cleaner. You click on cleaner. So read about the duties and read about the requirement. Once you are done, remember these are similar jobs you can also apply as a cleaner. It says send a similar job, so you can set the alert by clicking on send me similar jobs. Make sure you sign up using for a job seekers. You sign up here and you are good to go. So to apply for this job, once you feel that okay, you meet the requirement, then you can now click on the login to apply. So after you've signed up here, you'll be able to log in and you apply for this job. All right. So with this, let me go back and show you something, because some persons might be asking, how do I get a link to this? I will provide the link in the description box, but make sure you don't skip this video, guys. All right. So these are the recruiters, like I said, and to do this, you go through the filters. Okay. Now the next site is find jobs in Malta. So when you come to this place, you see jobs already highlighted for you: night cashier, dedicated line cook, housekeeper, operations manager, hairdresser. So if you are a hairdresser, what are you waiting for? Apply. Print machine minder, outside sales accountant, account representative, event organizer. So this you can see from page 1 to 102. I cannot exhaust everything in this video, so find time to go through all by yourself. I can see apply. These are the deadline before 17th of April. All their deadlines are there. This one before 28th of March. You seen it, guys? So what you need to do, if you don't want to go through this one, you can filter by using these categories based on part-time categories. What kind of job are you looking for? If it's chef, look at chef. If it's only cyber security, construction. So inside this bracket, you see how many jobs that are available for each of them. Customer service or customer representative, 55 job. Accounting, 106. So just take your time. Please, please. If you don't apply for a job, it means that you are looking for someone that will do it for you. And most of the time, you won't find anyone that will do it for you. So why don't you take your time? So when you are done filtering it, you can just click whatever you want and you are good to go. So let's assume you want to look for something like a chef. You click on chef. Then you go to the next one, salary. If you don't want the salary, any salary, just click on apply. So chef will come out, dedicated line cook. You can see all the chef. Look for the ones that you want. Chef de party, click on chef de party. Job description, click on job description. And you see basics full time, 13th of March 2025. So this one has expired. You cannot apply because it's 13th of March 2025. So it's expired. Go to the next one and just check. This is 17th of March, which is today. You need to apply. This is chef de party, 18th of March. So this one is 13th of March, expired. This is 19th of March, stay in dates. So look at it before you click, okay? 21 of March, stay in date. So you can click on anyone and apply. Let's say this, you click it and apply, click here and apply. So that is how you apply for jobs on that side. So you make sure you create an account. If you don't have an account, you just click on sign up with your email. So you click on this and you will be able to sign up on this site. Remember, sign up on every site you visit and create a new email for you to be able to monitor your progress. Don't use your old email, else you are going to cry when you miss an opportunity. Okay. So now the next site is maltapark. When you come here, you can buy things online. This is where you can do many things in Malta. You can also find jobs in Malta. That's the beauty of the site. So browse all jobs. You can go through the categories. So let's just browse all jobs. So these are all the jobs, and these are featured jobs. So you go through waitress, assistant plumber, chef, driver, cleaner. Just look for the one you are interested in. Truck driver, marketing manager. So just go through and look for the one you are interested in, guys. You go to the page 2 till you get to the last page, page 13. So let's assume I'm looking for, let me take a random one. Let me say waitress. Let's say waitress. So it says work type part-time, salary negotiable, applications, only one person they are looking for, added on these dates, closing date is next month. So if you're interested, log in to apply. So you meet, when you see log in to apply, it means you must create an account. Are you getting, guys? To create an account, you come here and click on sign up to do that. Okay. Now let's assume you are looking for another job, maybe cleaner. You can click on it. If it's AC installer, truck driver, anyone. But without a good CV, you cannot stand any chance. So if you need me to help you with a good CV, why don't without a good CV, you cannot stand that at all. You cannot even go through the first stage. So get yourself a good CV and you'll be glad you did. All right. If you want me to assist you, you can pay a token and I will do that for you. But if you want to do it all by yourself, I've done a video on Teach Clockwise TV YouTube. Go check it out. It's going to also help you. Okay. So guys, I will go to the next site. Before then, if you know you've not given this video a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yes, you've subscribed. Yeah. So now this is it. These are agencies you can use to find jobs in Malta. So with this agency, you can see jobs. These are featured jobs. This is the company's name, Konnekt. So what you need to do is just to find the category that you're looking for. All right. It says scammers are attempting to impersonate, Konnekt, and our recruiters. Such scams involve fraudulent communications via WhatsApp, Telegram. So they're just warning you to be careful. So if you are looking for any of these jobs, you can just click on any one. Recent jobs, you can view all by clicking view all. Are you seeing it, guys? So now what do you need? Jobs. You click on jobs. And you have 484 jobs. So you just look for the one you're interested in. And if you see the one you're looking for, we have chief technician, junior structural engineer, junior architect. Whichever one, click on the next page if you're not satisfied. And the salaries are there for you to see. Remember, full-time job is what you're looking for. So don't forget, this is the salary. All right. Sales representative, commercial manager, chef de partie. So this is full-time. You can click on this and just check the, it says responsibility include but not limited to this. So these are all your responsibility. These are all your requirements. So with this, it says education and experience and proven experience as a chef. So how many of you cannot prove that you are a chef? I don't imagine anyone applying for a job and they cannot prove that they are a chef. So please, this is your job description. You can either have English or you also speak Maltese. So you apply by clicking on apply button. You put your email and password if you have an account. If you don't have an account, don't have a profile, you click on register. Okay, you register and you are good to go. Next site is seek.com.mt. So looking for a job, click on looking for a job. And this is where you come, any discipline, any role. So just look for the discipline that you're looking for. Are you seeing it? You go to any role, you go to any location. So you can choose a discipline. Let's assume you are looking for teaching job, education. So principal land surveyor. So click on search to get what you're looking for. So it says you are not currently advertising anything that matches that search. So There's no teaching job for that. So you go for driver and click search. So you see driver came out, driver jobs came out. So if you're interested, you apply. If you're not, you go to the next page and look for the one that you're interested. Delivery driver, if you are interested, I'm interested, you click on it and apply. You put your name, first name, email, password, attach your CV, and check all these boxes and click on continue. So guys, that's all for today. If you love what we're doing on this channel, please give this video a thumbs up. You can connect with me on TikTok, the Harrison's Diary. I would love to see you, and I would love to chat with you on the Harris Diary on TikTok. For now, remain blessed and stay out of trouble. Bye for now.